Check out this Chrysler 2015 Town & Country Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio, Uconnect 430 CD DVD MP3/HDD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.